I'm Scott West. I've been with the company for roughly 13 years now. My title is Chief Operation Officer. I manage the crew, run the shop, everything day to day, making sure things get out the door.
Hey, I'm John Boxell. I've been at FTI Performance for approximately going on 7 years. My title is now Sales Manager. I was promoted a couple years ago. We handle everything from tech sales calls, spec-in converters, transmissions, warranty issues, shipping related, things like that.
How you doing? Tom Kendrick here, FTI Performance. I tech, spec, sell anything transmission or converter related within the company, and I am the Motorsports Director.
Hi, my name's Abel. They call me Red here at FTI. I'm head of converter assembly, and I basically build all your bolt together converters and manage assembly around the shop.
Hey, my name's Donnie. I'm the inventory manager here at FTI Performance. I'm coming up on 5 years with the company. I do everything basically in the warehouse, from ordering all the parts, making sure it's picked up, making sure we got transmissions and converters here to build.
Hi, my name's Dalton. I'm the Chief Technology Officer, and my responsibilities are managing and maintaining all of our databases and other back-end information systems.
Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm the machinist / builder here at FTI. I do everything from prepping parts to building converters, and I really enjoy what I do here.
Hi, I'm Bob Scheid. I'm Vice President of Wharton Automotive Group, and I get the honor of working with the FTI team. The FTI team here is fantastic. I get the honor of watching them, do their day-to-day thing as a team.
Hi, my name is Phaedra Samuel. Greg and I started FTI 20 years ago in 2006.
Hey everybody, Greg Samuel, original owner of FTI Performance. My wife and I started this company over 20 years ago to do one thing, to fuel my passion, making your car go fast. That's what I do.
The steps we take to make sure every converter meets FTI standards, everything goes through a leak check and balance system. We have multiple people that have multiple steps along the way to make sure things come out correctly, runs true, runs straight, clearances are set. We have more than one person check all these operations so we know everything that goes out the door is perfect.
FTI is the best because all the employees here, we have about 40 employees, we care. We genuinely care about the product, what's delivered to the customer, how the customer performs. If there's any issues, we want to make sure we take care of it so the customer stays happy.
Racers should trust FTI because we value our racers like family.
FTI is really a product line that can be trusted by the racer because we are racers. This whole group here has done the same thing that you guys are out there doing.
Customer service is such a big focus at FTI, especially nowadays, because we live in a world where it's so hard to get somebody on the phone actually that can talk to you about something that they're selling you, or you're not just getting a robot on the phone giving you some generic answers. Actually having somebody on the phone that can help you with your build, your product, is one of the most important things here.
There is no ceiling for FTI. As the industry evolves, we're going to evolve right there with it. We already have R&D working in the background, innovation with new products that we're going to supply out there. Honestly, the future's up to the racer. We're going to be here to support them and to continue winning and putting everything in the winner's circle. FTI is the best.
The future of FTI is to build and become better than everyone else.
The sky's the limit for us here. You have a company that cares about their customers and they want to win.
With the changing of racing, we hope to change and stay on top as well.
The future for FTI is to continue to innovate and stay one of the best in the industry.
FTI means to me burnouts and win lights.
Live, eat, and breathe it, so it's my life.
FTI means everything. FTI is a way of life to me. My family, obviously, the employees that work here, it's performance, it's creating, it's failures that we had to overcome. It's parts we've designed, parts that were good, parts that were bad. It was setting records, it was world championships, it was monster trucks doing backflips that it never did before. It's smoky burnout Fridays when everybody leaves work and gets to stripe this parking lot, which is pitch black, that belongs to me. That's what FTI means to me.
All right, let me get a big hell yeah to FTI Performance.
FTI Performance.
We are FTI.
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 So stupid.
Really? Oh man. FTI.